I'm Amanda, and we are going to do a real traffic stop. Take one.
Okay, 6-4, 26-3. Put me on a traffic stop.
Oh, crap.
You were doing 25 and 15 school zone. Do you have any justification of why you were doing that?
I was trying to get to the bar. Party.
Do you have a legal driver's license, proof of registration, and insurance?
What?
Do you have a legal insurance, proof of registration, and a driver's license?
I believe so.
May I ask where those are located?
My house?
Sir,
I'm just teasing.
may I ask where they're located?
I think it
Anything in there that may harm me?
hopefully I took the gun out. You can't hit me up, so not yet. You want to funny or what?
No. Alright, can you slowly reach in and get those for me?
I think so. I'm not going to I'm just playing.
Sir,
My license is right here.
sir, I'd like you to please stay in the car for your safety and mine.
Oh, well, thank
I'll
you.
be right back after
Are you crying?
process this.
Or is that an ocean?
Okay. Sir? Sir, can I have you please step out of the car?
Or what?
Please step out of the car.
I'm part of the blood. I ain't gonna step first.
Please, I don't want to cause any problems. Please just step out.
And I'm causing it because I ain't getting out of this spot.
Please,
You don't have a warrant,
Sir.
and I don't have a
Sir.
warrant, and you ain't getting in it. Oh, shit. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You got fucking. What are you doing? What are you doing? Shit. No. How am I gonna get up there?
Please stand up.
I can't get up. I'm just. I can't get up. I can't get up. You might be able to do some.
Get ready. Take you down. We have warrants for your arrest.
What? What? Oh, God, what?
Thank you. Sit in the car.
Another hard day of work.
Cut!